Hey, this is PJ with CLKsupplies, and this is the Specialty Products Kwikset and Schlage Pinning Kit, part number SKK-115. Now, as you can see here, this comes in a really nice, sturdy metal case. It has two snaps on it, to keep it nice and secure, and a handle so you can carry this around from job site to job site, or you can keep it in your van and just pull it out when needed. A case like this is definitely going to last as long as you want it to. Dropping, hitting it against something, it's going to definitely keep doing its job. It might just start looking kind of ugly. Now let me open it up and let me show you what's inside. All right, so open it up. It's just going to come with this little tray here. Now here's the lid of it, and it's going to show you everything that comes in it. It comes with the Schlage master bottom, and then Kwikset master pins and bottom pins, and then some springs. Now this has that foam lid. Let me see if I can show it here a little bit. You can kind of see behind it. It has the foam in here, so when you tighten it down on top of this, it's going to keep it tight so the pins aren't going to move around. Now let me just walk you through the pins that are in here and the kind of what they are and what the differences are. So it starts up here with the Schlage master pins 2 through 9, which is all that are available, and you can see by the color of them, they're just going to be brass, just like the OEM. The Schlage bottom pins, which is 0 through 9, those are nickel silver, and as you can see the difference between the brass and the nickel silver there. Now that's how the Schlage OEM pins are, so these pins are going to be identical to the Schlage OEM pins. Now in Kwikset, these are all going to be brass pins, but just like the OEM pins, these are all color coded, and these colors match the color coding of the OEM. So the Kwikset Master 1 through 5, the top pin, and then Kwikset bottom 1 through 6. Now, it does not have Kwikset number 7 bottom pin, so I suggest if you actually need to include that in your kit for when you're keying, to take these little Schlage cap pin and cap springs, go ahead and just put them in here with the springs, and then you could use this slot here for the number 7 Kwikset bottom pin. You're also going to see that it comes with a nice slot here that you can put tools in, so like your removal tools and your followers. It does not come with it, but this is a spot where you can put that. It's also important to note that all the Specialty Products pins are made in the USA to the same OEM design. So this is the Kwikset and Schlage pinning kit by Specialty Products. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.